Do you want your favorite website shortcut on your desktop home screen? Hey everyone, welcome to Izoate. Let's learn how to create shortcuts for website from Edge browser. There are multiple ways to create a tab on Edge, but the best way to create an app for your website. For doing it, click on three dots. Tap More Tools, then Apps. Then install this website as apps. Also option Create Desktop Shortcut. And it's done. By doing this, your favorite website will have its own browser app. However, if you're getting trouble to finding these options, go to our website. Link in comment and description. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more helpful content and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe us.